Hello, welcome to my channel. To subscribe, you can click the subscribe button right here to subscribe for free. I have a beautiful pattern for you today. It is a very lovely blouse pattern. But of course, you can make different things with it too. Now I will try to show it. I am using a thin yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, there is no need to count these. Whatever you are going to make, you first need to make a foundation chain according to your project. I will just make a certain amount of chains now. But as I said, with this pattern, you can crochet many things, friends. Now I will pull a few more chains and be back. Yes, this many chains will be enough. You can pull a few more if you like. You can unravel the excess later. Now, let's say we have finished our chains. I am pulling one more chain right now. We insert the hook into the next chain and make a single crochet. Chain 2. Skip one chain and single crochet into the next. Then, chain 3. Skip 2 and insert into the third one. One single crochet, our bottom row will be like this. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3, single crochet into the third chain. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3, single crochet into the third chain. Actually, you can also set this up on top of double crochets. Meaning for the bottom row, you can make a row of double crochets and build the pattern on top. But I thought about setting it up this way and then working double crochets underneath later. Like this, 1, 2, 3. Chain 3 all the way to the end. Skip 2 and insert into the third. Now let's reach the end of the row. Yes, I've reached the end. At the end, I chain 2. Skip 1 and insert into the next one. Now, we have these 2 chain spaces at the beginning and the end. There are 2 chain spaces on the edges. The number of 3 chain spaces left in the middle must be an odd number, friends. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The 3 chain spaces need to be an odd number. Yes, now I pull 1 chain from here and make a single crochet right on top of the single crochet below. Then, yarn over and go into the 3 chain space. We insert the hook into the space. Into here. We are making double crochets. Yes, we did the first one, we will make 7 double crochets inside the space. That's 2. And 7. Now, into the next 3 chain space. Make 1 single crochet directly into the space. Yarn over again and go to the next space. And again, make 7 double crochets. And 7. Single crochet into the next space. Yarn over, do not chain. Move to the next space. Make 7 more double crochets. This will continue like this until the end of the row. That makes 3. Seven. Move to the next one and single crochet. Now let's reach the end of the row. Yes, I finished the row. We made 7 double crochets into each space until the last one. In this last space, meaning the last 3 chain space. After making 7, there should be 2 left here. We should have our 2 chain space. We insert into the single crochet here and make a single crochet. This part stays like this because the number of spaces is an odd number. Make sure the 3 chain spaces between the 2 chain spaces are an odd number, friends. Now we chain 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, and turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet right into the middle. Then chain 3 again. Yarn over twice. We enter the single crochet between the shell groups. 1, 2. Pulled through in 3 steps. Yarn over twice again. 1, 2, pulled through in 3 steps. Inserting into the same spot. We make 3 double crochets this way. Then pull through all loops together. Chain 3 again. Come to the next shell, 1, 2, 3, 4. Single crochet into the 4th one. I didn't like the look of those treble crochets. They were supposed to be long, but I think it will look better in the next row. I'm thinking about it. Maybe I should make them double crochets instead. Yes, I unraveled it and made double crochets, friends. It looks better this way. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Single crochet here. Chain 3 again. Yarn over once. And make double crochets here. Pull through 1, then 2, and keep it on the hook. 1, 2, again. 1, 2. Chain 3. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 3 again and go into the space. Now pull through all 4 loops together. In the original, these looked long, but they stayed too flat when long. It looks good this way too. Now, we continue this way to the end of the row with the same pattern. Yes, I finished this row as well. Look friends, we've reached the end. Now at the end, I chain 3 again. Insert into the last single crochet and make 1 double crochet. Now again. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet right into the base. Chain 2. Single crochet into the very next space. Insert and make a single crochet. Then chain 3. Let's insert into the single crochet here, yes. Like this. No, not the single crochet, we insert into the space. Look friends, we chain 2 and insert it here. Now chain 3. And insert into the space. Chain 3 again. The 3 chains should align with the ones below our chain spaces. Move to the next space and make a single crochet. Chain 3. Single crochet into the next space. Chain 3. Now, we are repeating what we did on the foundation chain. That's the whole pattern. The model is basically this. Now we will do the same repeats. Chain 3 and go into every space with a single crochet. We will make the shell fillings on top of this again. It will continue like this. I will do 2 more rows, of course. Let's see how it looks. I've reached the last space, single crochet here. Then chain 2. Yes, we chain 2 and count 3 chains from here. Then insert into the 3rd chain. I had a little trouble inserting here. Because my yarn is thin, I am using a thick hook so it has a better drape. For the look. Yes, we finished this row like this, look. Now in the next row, our shell fillings will be on top of these. For that, from here, let's chain 3. This will be our first double crochet. In the 2 chain space, I make 3 more double crochets. With the turning chain, it makes 4 double crochets. Like this. Now, we single crochet into the next 3 chain space. Then yarn over again. Enter the next space. Make 7 double crochets. Seven. Come to the next one. Now I am at the space above the previous shell. Like this. Make 1 single crochet. Yarn over again and go to the next space. Yes. Yes, this row will continue like this, friends. Go to the next space. 1 single crochet, then move to the other space. Make 7 double crochets. Now let's reach the end of the row again. Yes, I've reached the end of this row too. Look, now again. We go into the 2 chain space at the end. We make 4 double crochets here. And 4. We finish it the same way we started. Now we will repeat the previous row. Chain 1, first, we make the chains, of course. I make a single crochet right here. On top. Chain 3. And from the single crochet here, we make 3 double crochets together. Pull through 1, then 2 loops. Then pull through all loops together. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, it should be right in the middle. Like this, a single crochet. Again, chain 3. Pull through 1, 2 and leave it. Pull through 1, 2 and leave it. Sorry, yarn over once. Pull through 1, 2 and pull through all 4 loops together. Chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, I am doing the same steps now. In this way. Let's reach the end of the row. Yes, I've reached the end of the row again. Look, now we chain 3 here. On top of the last double crochet, we make a single crochet. We finish this row this way too. Now again. Let's chain 1. Let's turn. Single crochet here. Chain 2. 1 single crochet into the next space. Single crochet. 2 chain space, then chain 3. We proceed by inserting into every space. Go into every space and make a single crochet. Chain 3, 1 single crochet. Now we have completed the cycle. Now, as we did in the row below, we will start making the shell fillings. Yes, let's complete it. When we reach the end, we will have a 2 chain space again. Yes, I've reached the end. After single crocheting into the last space, we chain 2. Again, on top of the single crochet here, we make a single crochet. Now we chain 1. Now, we will do the same as the row below. The shell fillings will be right on top. Let's chain 1 and turn. We make a single crochet here. Yarn over and go into the 3 chain space. Insert. And make 7 double crochets. And 7. Go into the next space, 1 single crochet. Again, into the next space. And 7. Single crochet into the next space. Yes, this will continue like this. Look, 1 row came right on top of the other. In the next row, we will do the row we did before. Yes, like this, friends. I hope you liked it. I won't continue now because we are doing the same things. This row is already row 6 that we crocheted. You can work double crochets underneath later. For shawls and blouses, I think it will be very nice. It is an easy pattern, just a 2-row repeat. Of course, it will look better when it's blocked. That's all for now. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments. Write to me. See you soon, goodbye.